In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text blocks in Squarespace. As you begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Squarespace. Once you're in, make sure you're properly logged in with your account credentials. If you're not sure whether you are, just double-check that you're able to access your dashboard fully. Once you've done this, you'll find yourself on your home page, which serves as the main hub for your web management activities. Next, direct your attention to the left bottom corner of your screen. You'll see your profile there. Go ahead and give that a click. This will bring up a list of websites associated with your account. It'll allow you to select the website you want to work on, which is especially handy if you manage multiple sites through your Squarespace account. This step is crucial in ensuring that any changes you make are applied to the correct site. Once you've selected the appropriate website, you will need to click Edit. This action takes you directly into the editing mode, allowing you to make changes to the layout and content of your site. Now that you're here, you're ready to enhance your page with text. To start adding text, look for the option to Add Block. Click on it. A menu will appear with various types of blocks you can add to your page. From this menu, you'll want to select Text Block. Text blocks are incredibly versatile tools that allow you to paste any text you'd like to add to your site. You can easily paste your text right into the text block. One of the great features of Squarespace's text blocks is the range of customization options available to you. For instance, you can highlight sections of your text and change the color to make certain parts stand out. This can be particularly useful for headings or important information you want to emphasize on your website. Additionally, you have the option to scale your text. This means you can adjust the size to better suit the design of your page. If you're looking to make a piece of text stand out even more, select the highlight option. It allows you to change the color and adjust the thickness of the text highlight to your liking, adding a pop of visual interest to your page. On the right side of your screen, you'll also see Site Styles. Clicking here will open up a world of additional styling options. You can select different fonts, colors, and more, ensuring that your text perfectly matches your site's overall design aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the way your text looks, click Save. This saves all of the changes you've made, applying them to your site. And there you have it, a text block that's ready to engage your visitors with style.